Welcome back everybody. Today we will be actually sharing one of the extension, using an extension to fit the iPad itself on the DJI remote controller. So what you're going to do here is basically understand that the actual size of the iPad doesn't exactly fit this device over here. Let me just do a sharing. The extension of this does not cover the full size of the iPad as shown. So what we will need to do is to add on an extension, where I have actually gotten this extension over here, and it comes with a screwdriver as well. So we'll actually extend this and put it on the remote control itself. So remove the screws to actually add on the mount. One thing you would like to take note is by using this, it may affect the total distance of your remote controller because it's blocking this antenna over here. And putting anything over here, it may affect the total distance, especially if flying drones such as SE. I have not tested this on SE because mine itself is a DJI mini2, and what is going to happen is that what I believe for 4km distance or SE, it may reduce the total distance of your remote control. So do take note about that. And for myself, when I'm flying the mini2, more than sufficient, because mini2 itself covers 10 kilometers, and I believe when I fly that far, I will actually oops, I never really get that captured properly screwed on. Let me just redo it again. Okay, so what we want to do is have a very tight grip around here so that you'll be able to hold it in place. Okay, let me just screw on one side again. Make it tight because it's not holding it very strongly. Okay, but one thing you want to take note, which is the total distance of the DJI. For 10 km with this additional interference, what I believe is still cover at least 6 kilometers, because if I fly 10 km, I'll never get my drone back. So you see, it's sturdy. Okay. How am I going to use this? Basically, this is the iPad itself. Okay, what we are going to do is let me just log in, and then how you attach it. Two ways. One is using the top one, which is for bigger size iPad, as shown over here. If your iPad is smaller like mine, like the mini, you can actually use a smaller one. This adapter comes in various of sizes. Do take note of the size when you actually buy your adapter. Okay, so one thing, put it in side view. What it will look like is this. You'll actually fit it slightly lower, extend it, and it will grip like that. Then plug in your interface of your DJI. Oops, wrong side. So what you're going to do, rotate it, and then reattach it at the corner. And that should itself give you a bit more space. And reattach your controller with the adapter itself. Okay, so that is how you actually do it. Select your aircraft. Mine is actually, my drone is actually the mini2, and then just connect. I'll pause this for a while and I'll show you with my drone. So I have my drone over here. It's connected to the app, and I'll be able to select the aircraft model and then let it pair. Actually, I will need the controller at the bottom. Let's just take it out and put out my screws so that I will be able to have the console button to press. Turn on the controller itself and let it sync. So itself, you can actually fly, and then you'll be able to press go fly. There you have it. You'll have a big screen where you can fly your DJI without issues. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.